77% of online shoppers leave their cart if their favorite way to pay isn't there. That single gap can cost you sales every single day. And that's why choosing the right payment gateway isn't just a technical decision. It's the moment that decides whether you win or lose a customer. So, let's break down what a payment gateway really is, why it matters, and how to choose the best one for your business. What a payment gateway is. A payment gateway is simply the middleman between your customer and your bank. It makes sure their card, wallet, or local bank transfer goes through safely. If that middleman is slow, expensive, or doesn't support the payment option your customer wants, you lose both trust and revenue. Why it matters. Payments are one of the most important parts of your business. A 1-second delay at checkout can cut conversions by up to 7%. Hidden foreign exchange fees on cross-border payments eat into profits. Missing a key payment method? That's a customer loss. And remember, most of the time, customers won't come back. They'll just click away and buy from someone else. The old way. Here's what often happens. A customer in Germany tries to pay in euros. Your gateway forces the payment into dollars, adding hidden conversion fees. You lose money, the customer pays more than expected, and some abandon checkout altogether. Or imagine you're a freelancer who can only accept bank transfers. Your clients who prefer card payment or digital wallets can't pay you. That means missed opportunities. This is why older, limited gateways no longer work for modern businesses. The alternatives. Modern payment gateways come with low-cost or no-code integration options, making it quick and easy to implement. With a variety of options, you could have a payment solution up and running in hours or days rather than weeks. Hosted pages are the easiest to set up. The provider handles security and compliance, but your customers are redirected off your site. Payment links are even simpler. Just send a link by email or text, or embed the link in your invoices. Then you're done. Great for freelancers or small service businesses. Plugins work well if you're on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. They're quick to install, but don't give you much room to customize. And then there are APIs. These give you full control over the checkout flow and support advanced features, but they require developer resources and ongoing upkeep. What to look for? Key criteria. When you're choosing a provider, there are 5 things to pay attention to. First, payment methods and currency support. Customers want options: cards, wallets, local transfers, and even buy now, pay later. You want to make sure your customers' preferred payment methods are accepted. And if you're selling in multi-markets, does your payment gateway support local currency price display? A lot of customers will hesitate when they see that they have to pay in a foreign currency. Second, security and compliance. You need strong encryption, fraud detection, and global security standards. Because if customer data gets exposed, trust is gone. Third, integration and compatibility. Does the gateway work with your current tools like your website, accounting software, or CRM? And can you start simple with a plugin, then grow into full API control later? Fourth, costs and FX rates. Don't stop at transaction fees. Factor in currency conversion costs, settlement fees, and chargebacks. A provider with like-for-like settlement capabilities plus multi-currency accounts can save you a lot by avoiding forced currency conversions and holding a multi-currency balance. Again, in the example we just talked about, you are a US-based seller. When your customers in Germany pay you in euros, a lot of providers will convert the payments into USD and settle them into your account. It's not transparent what the currency exchange rate is, and there's no way for you to optimize it. And finally, scalability and global reach. If you want to expand abroad, you'll need local acquiring, multiple settlement currencies, and compliance in each region. Not every provider can handle that. How Airwallex fits in. This is where Airwallex really shines. Airwallex Payments offers businesses an integrated solution for cross-border transactions, accepting over 160 local payment methods across 130 currencies. Cost-efficient settlements, and faster access to working capital. Boost your checkout rates by pricing in your local currency and letting customers pay with their preferred payment methods. Receive payment settlements directly in over 14 local currencies without forced FX conversion. Collect and hold funds in over 20 currencies in an Airwallex multi-currency global account for business without paying hidden conversion fees. Boost conversion and acceptance rates. Benefit from Airwallex's machine learning-powered optimization engine. 3DS logic, and local acquiring to improve acceptance rates. Reduce chargebacks with built-in fraud prevention. Identify suspicious transactions and reduce chargebacks with an AI-powered fraud engine. With Airwallex, you can easily start accepting payments globally, regardless if you are just starting out or already selling globally. From low-code checkout solutions into your website to no-code payments links or plugins for e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. Airwallex also combines payments with global accounts, corporate cards, spend management, transfers, and effects, so you get access to an end-to-end financial platform to receive, hold, and transfer funds. So, here's the bottom line. If you want to sell globally, reach more customers, and keep more of your revenue, you need a modern gateway that scales with you. And that's exactly what Airwallex gives you. Speed, security, and flexibility, whether you're a freelancer today or a global brand tomorrow. Don't let checkout be the reason you lose customers. Check out Airwallex. I've left a link in the description where you can sign up and start accepting payments the smarter way.